Hello, welcome to Sitefinity training course, and today in this video I would like to show you how to open the Sitefinity CMS shortcuts in Visual Studio for running by using the Visual Studio and also coding using Visual Studio for the purpose to develop a new feature for Sitefinity CMS. Okay, so basically firstly you have to install the Visual Studio, the version is 2012 or latest version in order to work with the Sitefinity CMS. Okay, so let's get started. This one is the shortcode for my Sitefinity project on my PC. And now I go ahead to open the Visual Studio, and after that I import this code into the Visual Studio. And okay, so before I open the Visual Studio, so I should show the website on my browser. Here, this one is a Sitefinity demo.local. I'm running on my local PC. Is it pointing to this shortcode? Okay, so now I've opened the Visual Studio. I'm using the version is 2017. Okay, let's click on the file and open project and solution. And after that, you select the Sitefinity demo and click on the project Sitefinity web application. Open. Yeah, you can see here under the solution of the Visual Studio, we have Sitefinity web application already imported into this Visual Studio tool. So now you are go ahead to run the project and to see what we have. Yeah, you click on the Google Chrome here. This one is the default browser on my Windows PC. And click OK button. Yes, you can see for now the website is hosting under the Sitefinity demo.local is already running on this Visual Studio. Stop. Yeah. So now you are able to create the solution file for later. So I mean you are able to create the solution file. So after that, you are able to click on that file to open the project. It did open the Visual Studio on the PC and import the code into this. Save it. Yes, I will save it under the solution file extension. Open this one, and for now we have a Sitefinity web application solution file here. And close this one. And now you just go ahead to open the shortcode structure of Sitefinity on your PC and go ahead to click on the Sitefinity web application.solution file here to open the project. Yeah. Okay, so I think that's all for today. And I think after you finish this video, you know how to import the current Sitefinity CMS project into the Visual Studio for running and also for the purpose in the future to develop a new feature of Sitefinity for the project. Okay, so I hope that helped and let me know if you see any issue. Bye bye.